icon for more recipes. I post every day. So today we are going to make some cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a great option to regular rice because it has no carbs, or maybe a little bit of carb. So here I have some riced cauliflower. This is just frozen cauliflower. You can use like fresh cauliflower, but make sure you drain it. You put some salt and you drain it in a cheesecloth. I have some soy sauce, some black pepper, salt, garlic paste, some oil, corn, and some pineapple. Today's recipe is going to be a pineapple black pepper cauliflower rice. It pairs extremely well with any kind of Indo-Chinese dishes. So my pan is already heated. I'm going to put in my oil in there. That's like a tablespoon of oil. Into my oil, I'm going to first put my garlic paste. Give it a quick stir. And then quickly add in my riced cauliflower. Gentle mix though, but make sure you take out all the water from the cauliflower. So make your heat on high. So we're going to let that sit. While it's sitting, we're going to add our black pepper. That's freshly ground black pepper. Some salt. We're going to add our frozen corn. This is like so easy to put together. You can just add everything together. This is fresh pineapple, not from the can though. That's like half a cup. And we're going to add the soy sauce last. Once all the water from the cauliflower is evaporated, that's when we are going to add our soy sauce. Because you don't want too much water in there. Quick taste test. Yummy. You ready? You're ready to take it out. Super simple, easy to put together, and if you have like frozen riced cauliflower, it's like takes barely like 7 minutes. It pairs really well with chili fish, chili paneer, chili tofu, chili chicken, and if you want to check out my recipe for chili fish, I will link it up here. Do check it out and pair it with that. So pair this and let me know how you like it. Enjoy!